Hello, YT. It's Chili D here. You can call me Lisa. I'm here to show you a few things that came this week. A little haul I got. So I bought 4 jars of this Nature Blessings pomade, and they were like, for all 4 jars I spent just say like $22. That's including the shipping. And then on eBay I bought these Flairosol, I think, mist sprayers. This one was $9 because it got the design on it with free shipping. This other white one was like $7.25 with free shipping. And it's a mist sprayer. And I like this better because, check this out. See how that sprays in a fine mist. So, I like those. And I'll put the links to all of this in the description box below. Hi YT, I'm back, and this is for all my nail lovers. I got this 8-piece set of nail polish from Julep Maven, and all of them are matte except for one. One of them, they had ran out of the matte ones, so they replaced it with another color. And this is all the swatches of all of them right here on top. And this one is called Julep. Dory. Will you stop? See the color of this one? And this one is called Liana.
You show them the photos?
No. I'm busy. Stop. Here's this one. And this one is called Pollyann. Here's another one. Turn it off. And this one is called Yvonne. This one is called Tanya. Oops. And this one is called Jesslyn. And this one is called Ida. And this one is called Freddie. It also came with this nail art. Some silver triangles. And it came with this nail art. Some 4-leaf clover and some 3-leaf clovers. And I'll put the link to this company in the description box. And I only pay like $19.99, just say $20 a month. You can always skip a month. If you don't want it, you can skip it and they won't charge you. But any other months that you want, they'll charge you $19.99 and you'll get 3 colors and a nail art, or you can get facial, like makeup and lipsticks and things of that nature. So just check it out. They have a pretty good deal. All right. Comment, subscribe, and thumbs up.